Welcome back, everybody. So what we are gonna do is raise the light, the main one, the Spectrum King SK602 model, the one in the center. We're gonna crank it up as high as it goes because as I, as I recall, I accidentally forgot to raise it up all the way before I went ahead and I set up the net trellis. So I went ahead and I already set up on the other side, which I'll show you guys after I'm done. And hopefully I don't eat shit or tilt over and fall into the plants and destroy everything. So I'm going to be careful, but I'm going to raise it up to its highest point. Alright, so here we go.